Hello students, welcome back. In a previous class we discussed about uncertainty in measurements, specific notations, significant figures and dimensional analysis. Okay, so today we are going to know about atomic mass and molecular mass. Very interesting. So atomic mass in chemistry, already know the value of atoms, very low values of atoms. In present days, many more technology going to get spectroscopy to identify the exact mass of the elements or atoms. But in the 19th century, the scientists were very struggle to get a experimental to get the values of the mass of the elements. Very difficult task. Okay, the scientists were identified in the based on standard unit like carbon 12 isotopes. Okay, carbon 12 isotopes. It is one of the standard unit to be identify the atomic mass. Okay, what is the meaning of isotopes? Yes, first we know that isotopes. Isotopes means first we get the elements. Elements is generally we are represented by X. This is Z and this is A. Z is a atomic number and A is a atomic mass. Dear students, don't confuse atomic number. This is an atomic mass number. Mass weight, atomic mass weight. The both were very different. Let you know about the periodic table. X is called as elements. Okay, students, you learn the at least in a periodic table. In a periodic table, at least you learn from 1 to 13 elements. At least atomic numbers, atomic name, and atomic mass numbers. Okay. Please students, at least you need remember 1 to 13 elements at least. Okay. So let me know it. First one. This is the elements representations. So isotopes means what? Isotopes means, for I giving you examples. What are the examples I given to you? 1H1 and 1H2 and 1H3. Already you know about in the high school section what is isotopes and isobars. See students, this is called what? Isotopes. Let you show here. Let me know here, observe here. The atomic number are same, but atomic mass values will be changed. This is called what? Isotopes. Correct. Okay. What about isobars? Yes, isobars means, example we take on it. So this is 40 carbon 6 and nitrogen 47. Did you observe it? So atomic mass is same, but atomic number will change. It is called what? Isobars. But we take on isotopes. Okay, now come to the main point of atomic mass definition. Atomic mass is the mass exactly equal to the 1/12 of the mass of the carbon. I mean say 1 carbon 12 isotopes. Why you take 1 carbon? This is a standard molecule. For example, 1/12 means carbon. For example, you taken 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, students, this 11 isotopes values in carbon. Carbon having a 12 atomic mass values. Carbon atomic number is 6. Atomic number is 6. 12 is atomic mass values. In this carbon, this is standard unit we taken in a isotopes. One of the unit, one unit we take then, this is 1 by 12th isotopes. I mean to say, any elements, you take any elements, the mass exactly equal to the 1/12th. 1/12 ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಸೋಟೋಪ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಏನು, ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ atomic mass, the unit is atomic mass unit, which generally represented by AMU, atomic mass unit anta karite. 1 AMU is equal to 1.66056 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. See here students, minus 23, this is one of the specific notation. In the last previous class we know about the specific notation. How did you identify? This is a prefix identification. So let me know it. This is a definition. Clear? Mass is exactly equal to the 1/12 of the mass of the carbon 12 isotopes and isobars. So students, 1 AM is equal to 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. How did you get a 124? This is 1 AM is equal to 1 by Avogadro number. Avogadro number is how much? Avogadro numbers? Yes, 1 by 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, right? ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1.66056 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. It will be gram will be converted into kg. 1.6605 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. 27 kg. This is the value of what? 1 AMU, right? So now going to the hydrogen mass values. In the previous class we know about 0.000023 after 1.667. This is the value of what? Atomic value. They can convert the specific notation values to get 1.6736 into 10 to the power of minus 24 gram. This is the mass of a hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom in a mass ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವಿದನ್ನ in terms of atomic mass ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ, so in terms of atomic mass value of hydrogen, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? We can write first atomic mass values of hydrogen value. Okay, 1.6736 into 10 to the power of 24 gram, and AMU is 1.66056 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. We can get answer is 1.0078 AMU. Okay students, this is the value. Hydrogen, this is atomic number is 1, mass value is 1.0078. But in limiting results, the last unit is above 5. They can write one more time, 1.008 AMU. In nowadays, we are using unit of AMU, convert to U. U means unified mass. U ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Unified mass ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. AMU means atomic mass unit. So it generally what we call as 1.008. This is a mass value of hydrogen atom. Which generally the decimal value will be neglected. Nowadays 1.1 is a value of hydrogen atom. Decimal remove ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so similarly, can understand the term. This is a AMU values. This is a any type of atoms. They can get say oxygen. Oxygen. This is giving 15.99 U values. This is atomic mass value. So oxygen can write. This is a 6 is the atomic number. This is what? 15.99. This is generally we can 60. 50.9 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Some we called as 6 into 16 ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. Sorry, this is 8. Oxygen is atomic number is 8. 6 is a carbon. Carbon 6. This is a 12. Nearly 12.001 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We called as 12. And oxygen is 8. This is 60. Round figure. Okay. Either be exactly 15.99. Okay, AMUR unit. This is a atomic mass. You can get easily the definition of atomic mass. This is a mass exactly equal to the 1/4 of the mass of the one carbon isotopes. Clear, students? This is about atomic mass. But some of the isotopes will be giving you naturally several isotopes will be available in a element. That's why how did you identify that molecules of atomic mass? Yes, that is called what? Average atomic mass we call it. This is only one isotopes you can get a easily calculate the atomic mass values. But some of the naturally occurring elements giving a several types of different isotopes. That was how did you identify? That is average atomic mass. We call it as average atomic mass. Yes. Average atomic mass. For I taken one of the example. This is a carbon ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಣ. This is a carbon. It is containing the relative abundance, either percentage of occurrence ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಕ್ಯುರೆನ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So we take an example of carbon. Carbon, this is a 12 mass value. This is 6 atomic number. Carbon 12 isotopes. This is relative abundance is 98.892 and atomic mass unit. How much of atomic mass unit is 12? Then carbon 13. It is the value is 1.108. This is the value is 30.00335. This is the next one is carbon 14. This value is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 10 and this value is 40.00317. Let me show you how did you get these different isotopes. One day you can easily identify the atomic mass values, but here is 3 different types of isotopes. We can get average mass values. Average mass values you get average atomic mass we can calculate by using x1 m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 so on mx plus xx mi plus xx divided by 100. Okay, students, m is the mass number. This is m1, m2, m3 is the mass values and x is the relative abundance. Mass values, atomic mass values is m1. This is a taken m1. These are all the x1. Okay, first one. This is a 12 into how much? 98.892 plus m2 13.00335 into 1.108 plus 40.00317 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 10 divided by 100. Can get the answer is 12.011 units. Unified mass. The carbon having a 6 carbon atomic number 12.011 unified. This is a mass values of average. We can get the average values by using in the different isotopes. Okay, this is the average mass value. Any of the example we taken, this is the can calculate the mass values of atomic average method. Okay students, next we will be going to the molecular mass. Okay students, now going to the molecular mass. Okay, see the definition of molecular mass. Sum of the atomic masses, ಆಟಮ್ಗಳ ಮಾಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು addition ಮಾಡಿ. Sum of the atomic masses of an element present in a molecule. Molecule means two or more elements or atoms present. This is called what? Molecules. Same or different. In that molecule we can addition there the sum of the atomic masses of the elements present in a molecules. Okay. In that multiply the atomic masses of each element. By chance to get the atom is twice or thrice present, the atoms can get multiplied. Then by the number of its atoms adding together, then for the addition. I give you one of the example to get identified and knowing about clearly. One of the example you taken CH3. Generally what? This is methane. Okay. So sum of the atomic masses of the elements present in a molecule. The molecule is CH4. How much different elements are there? One is carbon, another one is hydrogen. Two different atoms or elements present in a molecule. So you first learn the value of atomic mass, not atomic number. Atomic number na ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು, atomic mass ಗಳನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If they know the value of atomic mass number, they can easily identify, calculate the any type of examples of molecular masses. So see students, how much number of, then multiply the atomic masses of each element by the numbers. How much number? This is only one carbon. 1 into atomic mass of carbon. Then adding together, addition. Then how much of number? 4 into, this is atomic mass of hydrogen atom. This is carbon atom. Clear students? So now going to the calculate. 1 into atomic mass of carbon, how much carbon? 12.001 U. Okay. Then addition with 4 into hydrogen, 1.008 U. Okay students, this is the methane. This is a multiply the terms methane, you get 16.043 unit. Means a unified mass. This is a value get unified mass. So we can take one more example is water, H2O. You will already know that. How much of elements are hydrogen molecules? Hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen is 2 and hydrogen atom plus oxygen is 1 and hydrogen, I mean to say oxygen 1. This is calculate 2 into 1.008 units and unified mass plus 1 into 12.011 U. We'll get answer is 18.02 unified. This is the mass of what? Water. Okay. So now one more example you taken. Third one, C6H12O6. This is called what? Glucose. Okay, we call it as glucose. Can you calculate this glucose? Yes. This is 6 into carbon atom. Carbon, how much of carbon? 12.011 plus oxygen, sorry, hydrogen. How much of hydrogen? 12 hydrogen atoms. It is multiplied by 1 hydrogen mass values 008 plus again oxygen is 6 into 60.00. all those terms multiply, when addition to get the values is 180.162 units value you can get. This is the molecular mass of glucose. Any of the example you taken and write it. Okay, take an example NH3, CH2. Okay, any molecules you can calculate yourself. Okay, students, this is about the molecular mass. In this molecular mass, we can identify the covalent bond. Yes, students, this is belong with the covalent bond. Covalent bond illirutte, molecular mass illirutte. So, some of the formulas, I mean to say, some of the elements or molecules without forming of covalent bond. That type of molecule, how get you identify the molecular mass values? That is called what? Formula mass. So, next going to the formula mass. Can you understand, students? This is very important. We ask in a 1 or 2 mark question, the molecule of CH3, how much weight of the molecular mass can you calculate it? Or glucose or water, like. So, next, formula mass. Students, both were very similarity of calculation part, but why we insert the formula mass? Because this molecular mass is involving of covalent bond actions. It is involving covalent bond, but formula mass it is involving in ionic formations, ionic bonds. So, for one of the example you taken NaCl, sodium chloride. This is a sodium chloride. This is a formation of Na plus and Cl minus. This the bond is breaking to forming of ions. Means was ions are sharing to get a molecule of what? NaCl. Like so many examples are there. MgCl2, MgO, ZnO. Okay, so many examples. Calcium carbonate, calcium sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. So many examples are there. We taken generally one of the example is very important, NaCl. Okay. So why we consider formula mass in belong with NaCl, not in a molecular mass? Because of in this formula mass of NaCl, this is doesn't appear intensity. I mean to say what? Intensities forms doesn't appear. That means we are going to calculate the formula mass using for ionic calculation. Okay? Can you calculate the formula mass of sodium chloride? Yes. Sodium chloride. Sodium and chlorine atom. Sodium atomic number is how much? 23.0. Actually 22.99 something birthday. We can get 23 units is sodium values. And chlorine, how much of actually chlorine? How much of chlorine atom ions? The chlorine is 35.5 units. Okay? I mean say what? Unified mass. So this ion is losses of one ions and this is the gaining of one ions carries a positive negative charge. Can you calculate the molecular mass and the formula mass of NaCl? Na1, this is a Na1, 23 plus Cl is only 1, so 35.5. Can you get 58.5 unified mass? This is the mass of NaCl. Okay, students, can you calculate Na sodium, for example, calcium carbonate? Calcium, how much of elements is there? Calcium 2 plus ions and carbonate 2 minus ions. Can you calculate Ca and carbon and oxygen molecules, carbon and carbon? Different examples to be calculate the formula mass. This is one of the best example. This is a structure of 3D dimension of NaCl. So students, why we insert the formula mass in this case? Why we take the molecular mass? What's the difference is the calculation part will be completely same, but the formula mass using in ionic formation, the molecular mass is using in covalent formation. Don't get confusions. Okay, these will be solved in your homework. Okay, that will be solved. Okay, students, this is about molecular mass and atomic mass values. So one more thing I will be saying, the periodic table, at least you learned 1 to 13 starting elements name and atomic number and atomic weight also. Okay, students? Okay.